Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. There is a small problem in my bedroom that I want to fix here. The problem is with the shower. You can see the shower up here. Can you see the shower? So it has a small problem and I'm going to fix that. Let us see. As I turn the shower on, you can see the way the shower is working now. The water is scattered. The water is scattered and then it's not coming out very well as it should. Many of the perforations from the shower head are not working, so we need to fix that. And that's what we are going to do now. Okay. So the shower is not coming down properly and we are going to correct that. So I'm going to remove the shower head. I will remove the shower head so that we can work on that. Okay. So we have the shower head here. We have the shower head. As we have it here, we want to work on it. Okay. And then the pipe. The pipe bringing the water into the shower head. We can see it here. And then we see that. So first of all, we need to inspect if the water is not blocked in a way. So let's see. Okay. The water has good pressure and it's coming down well. So we can see that the problem lies with the shower head only. The problem lies with the shower head only. So we need to check the shower head. Okay. So to handle that, we use these materials. We have a needle and toothbrush for the job. Here is the shower head. You can see that it has so many small perforations arranged in an array around the circle and also at the head. Most of these small tiny holes, they are blocked, and that is why the shower head is not bringing water down properly. So we are going to make it work now. So start by cleaning it. We begin to punch the holes through a needle. Many of the tiny holes are blocked from sediments. The sediment that comes with the water into the pipe. So we are going to unblock them using this needle. And that's the way. Then we clean the inside to remove all the sediments. Now all of them have been unblocked. So the next thing is to wash from inside and outside to remove any dirt, any sediment from water. Okay. You can see the inside of the water now. It's now having a lot of sediments. And put a little detergent or soap, liquid soap, and then wash it in and out. wash it as much as possible inside and outside. You can see how dirty the water is now. The dirt is coming out from the inside of the shower. So we are filling the shower head with water and see how it releases them. So when the water comes in with pressure, then the shower head will put the water out in a very beautiful shower. Once all the holes have been unlocked and there are no further sediments inside the shower head, you can see that the inside is now clean than before. The inside is cleaner than before. This is to ensure that the remaining sediments are forced out by this water pressure. So we have the rubber seal that is at the mouth here to prevent it from leaking. So the rubber seal has been inserted back into this position. Then we're going to couple it back to the pipe in the bathroom. So let's see that. So we are going to couple it back, yes, and see how it works. There is a screw connector here. We're going to screw here. Okay. Then the head can be adjusted. Alright. We can see that now. So we can adjust the head. Okay. You can see the difference. So the difference is clear now. You can see it's working fine and the shower is coming down powerfully. And this is how it should be. Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. You can also become a member of this channel so that you can receive exclusive perks. You can receive certain information that is limited for members. That is members only information and knowledge on this channel. Thank you. I see you in my next video. Bye.